this is my plant. See how big and wide it has grown. I'm getting ready to transplant it into this pot right here. And then I bought this little plant, which I plan to put in this green pot when I take this off. And then I transplanted these. They were in a small pot. I transplant them into this. And as you can see, it's growing new ones right there. Very nice. And then I have this orchid forever. So I'm going to transplant it into another pot. This is what I'm doing. I'll show you when I'm done. This is what the plants are looking like now that I transplant all of them. Everything is looking good. That's my pineapple in the bag. But I made 2 pots of that plant instead. Well, 3. There's the little baby one, this one, and this one. I cut them and trimmed them and pruned them and put them in 3 pots. And then I put the orchid in here and I put this plant in there. I forgot the name. This is the marigold. And this is all the mess I made, and I'm going to clean it now. Thank you all again for watching me transplant my plants into other pots. This is what they look like now. I wanted to do it before the sun come up, and I did it. Now this is their home next to the door. This is where I keep most of them. The ones that need direct sunlight, that's them right here. And the ones that need indirect sunlight, I put them over on this side. So they'll get a little light, but nothing major. But these need direct sunlight. So this is what they look like. See y'all later. Remember to go out and live life freely with no excuses. Love y'all. Bye, bye, bye.